Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to rewind or go back on Tinder. So for example, if you are swiping right on Tinder just like this, and you mistakenly swipe right on somebody who you would like to like, or who you would like to super swipe on. Okay, let's say I mistakenly swipe right on this person, and I want to like this person. So let's say I mistakenly swipe right on the person just like this. So if you want to see that person again, all you have to do guys, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you will see these options right here. Yeah, you will see this the first one, which is a yellow icon, is for the rewind option. So if you click on that, you're going to get back the previous person you swipe right on. So that is how you can do it. All right, so hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to rewind or go back to the previous person on Tinder. If you give this video a like, anybody subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.